The another important concepts are the acceptance of a bill of exchange. So even in title we can conclude that there is an acceptance of bill of exchange. The drawee has to accept the bill prepared by the drawer. So there are two parties, drawer and drawee. So the drawee has to accept. His acceptance is must to the bill prepared by the drawer. The bill prior to acceptance, prior means before. The bill prior to acceptance is called draft. The drawee accepts it by writing accepted on the face of the bill and sign with date and returns to the drawer. This process or this picture is known as the acceptance of bill of exchange. It is called as the acceptance of bill of exchange. Next concept, discounting of a bill. When the bill is encashed from the bank before its due date, bank deducts a small amount as discount and remaining amount paid to the drawer. So discount is nothing but the deducting some percentage or in form of amount digits from the actual amount, so that balance or deducted amount is known as the discount. So these eight concepts are for the 8 2 marks questions, and there may be another 5 marks concepts. Those are main features of a bill of exchange. So what are the characteristics of a bill of exchange? You can discuss in our next classes. And in the same way, the advantages of a bill of exchange. So uses of a bill of exchange, nearly for each concept we have to grasp nearly 5 to 8 points for gaining 5 marks. And the different types of bills of exchange, there are different types of bills of exchange. So those are the classifications of bills of exchange. Like that we can conclude that in our next classes these are prescribed for 5 marks answers. Now in this chapter let us discuss about the differences between a bill of exchange and promissory note. Differentiation between the bill of exchange and promissory note. And the fifth question or fifth concept is known as the differences between a bill of exchange and a check. According to the all money related matters comes under the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. So these 5 concepts are prescribed for 5 marks. In our next class or next video, we will discuss about the features of bill of exchange, advantages of bill of exchange, different types of bills of exchange, difference between bill of exchange and promissory note, and the difference between a bill of exchange and check. So not only these, there are 10 marks question also and for 20 marks question also, but in this chapter there is no need of preparation for 20 marks question, because in accountancy we are having one compulsory question. So these are very limited one, these are the introduction part only. And I think mostly nearly 4 or 9 marks is compulsory. Today I have completed nearly 4 marks answers. So now let us discuss in future